Girl, I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be. Hello, it's ohana.kennedyf from Trinidad. She's really right. She's never sad, always glad. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're going to do blah, 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 blah. As you can see, I just got done with the styling, and if you want to know how I got this result, watch the video. So today, I will be showing you the styling part of my fall/winter hair growth routine series. So don't mind my face, I'm a little greasy. If you watched the last video, that was the video that I just got done filming. I had already twisted my hair before, which was in another video that I did. I think this will be the only time that I'm detangling my hair, which is right now. So let's get into it. Finally have it! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry out my whole head. Oh lord! Anytime that you use heat, always have a protective heat protectant. I'm going to use it on high heat. No. I'm going to use it on high heat. Okay, so this is the first one. Why was that so easy? Okay, we're gonna keep going.
Starting to eat better, eat cleaner, not eat out as much, not eat as much junk.
I need to trim. I'm probably not going to trim as much this time considering it's going to do a protective style.
Whereas we're gonna have a beauty.
So I'm about to trim it and then I'll come back after I trim and I'll show you how I actually style it.
1 hour later.
I just got done trimming my hair and I put it in sections. I know I look crazy, but there's a method to my madness. What I'm about to do is I'm about to twist it up. I was just gonna be like, it can wait. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do for the first twist, and then it's gonna be a time lapse, a relaxing one, so you can fall asleep, do whatever you want to do. Just don't be surprised if you fall asleep and then at the end you hear my voice screaming in your ear. So this is all my hair up here, and then I'm gonna be working on this section first. I trimmed my ends and I trimmed a lot, which I'm probably gonna trim again because my ends are pretty bad. They're like really bad, so I'm probably gonna trim them again. But this is all the hair that I trimmed off. See, all the hair that I trimmed off. I was trying to be realistic, like, you know, healthy hair over length. And I'll go ahead and show you guys all this shed hair that I have because I don't plan on detangling anymore after this, keeping it to like 1 or 2 times every time I do my hair. This is how much hair I had shed. Now, I'm like way over here. Let me move. Alright, so now, the reason why it's so much is because I haven't touched my hair in weeks, okay? That's the reason. I think I'm gonna go ahead and spray some rice water on my scalp first, and then get to what I'll be using. I think the first time do use coconut milk is with OGX. It's an anti-breakage serum. Girl, when I tell y'all, I didn't think it was for my kind of hair until I used it. Yes, so I'll be using that with rice water and some of this grease on my ends. But I go in with some, like a squirt or two. This stuff smells really good too. I guess I'm doing mini twists. It's probably the style of the month because I don't plan on doing this again. And then I'm gonna get some of this grease and put it on my ends. I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna do it this time. And that's for that one. And I'll just be repeating the whole process. Have fun watching.
that. When you just have like an abnormal amount. Alright, you guys, what do y'all think? I think they're actually that, and then butter. Let's see what's in store.
This is my look. This is my look right. This is it.
What are you doing?
This is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, this was the grease that I was using on my ends. I was gonna go ahead and do my edges, but I can't find my edge control toothbrush for some reason. And I use that. I'm so mad. Why can't I find my stuff? I never find it when I need it. When I need it, I can't find it. I don't even know where my scarf is. Alright, I'm TMI. I hope you guys enjoyed. We went from whatever that was in the beginning to this. I'm digging it. I am sick. So this is the front. This is the side view. This is it. This is me. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be. If you want your hair to stay moisturized this fall / winter, go ahead and look at this video. No, go ahead and look at this video, okay? It's going to help you flourish and always in life.